Hello everyone, welcome back. In one of the previous video, I have covered MSM multi-site management, and then we saw how do we create blueprints, etc. How do we roll out the configuration, etc. I think there are two videos. I thought I I should also cover how can we break inheritance for a particular website. So for example, I have created multiple copies of my master blueprint, but maybe in one of the website I want to break the inheritance because I want to change something. So how is that possible? And maybe I want to revert it. I want to play around. So how will I do it? So first I will go to sites, and I have just installed the weekend website, the sample content. I'll just change it to content only. Yeah. And this is my master, the language master, and these are the live copies. What I want to do is maybe I'll open this page, the magazine. I'll open one of the magazine page. I'll add it. So basically what is happening from this language master, the content is being changed. From here the content is being changed, and the same is being replicated to all the live copies. This is what is happening. What I want is maybe for this particular website, US website, this particular page is having some different content. I want to break that inheritance. How it is possible? So let's take this image only. If I just click over it, I do not have any option available to configure this component, because it is right now it is inherited from parent, from the master. Okay, there is option to cancel the inheritance. It means it won't come from the master now. If we break the inheritance, it won't come from the master. It means the inheritance is broken. Now we can configure it on our own. So I click on it, and it asks, do you really want to cancel the inheritance? I say yes, of course I want to cancel. And now if I click again, I have the option to edit the content, to configure this whole component. I will have this dialog open. Everything is working fine. I can change the image, etc. Everything will work as it's. Now sometime what happens, by mistake someone has broken this inheritance. What to do now? If I again click on it, I'll get this link with this time it says re-enable inheritance. And if I click on it, there are two options available: whether you want to synchronize the whole page after this revert happens, or you just want to synchronize the component. Synchronize the component means just this component will be synchronized. Synchronized page means whatever is the page, this whole page will be synchronized, because there might be other areas also where we have done some changes, right? So we can choose one or two or either of the option, whatever is applicable for us, and then click on yes, and then we will get the inheritance back. So if we just select and click on yes, this time the page will be refreshed, of course, and again we won't be able to configure this page again, sorry, this component again, because the inheritance is again in place. Okay, so that's it. I mean, how do we configure, break the inheritance or revert it back? That's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.